When you remove it, first you have to pull this clip to the back and then pull on the right side towards yourself, and then it will come out. You may think that you have to start from the left side, but this hook will actually hold it in place and you will break it if you try to do it this way. The right way will be to do it from the right side.